it is not that the company is not good. It is the market that is not good. So if it's the market that's not good, no matter how good your company is, it's like the seed is very good, but the weather is not good. So basically, right, what I want to share with you here is this, okay? How do we identify a correction? So basically, right, in my system, I designed the system, right, such that, if the stock is good, right, okay, good means the stock price is moving up, then it will look as a blue color, okay? If the stock is not good, right, then it will turn red color. So the thing is, if there's one stock turn red color, maybe it's the stock not good. This stock not good. But if there is like many, okay, if there's many stocks turn red color, there's many stocks, many stocks, right? And all these many quality companies. Okay, what do you mean by quality? Quality means, like, example, Apple. Apple, is it quality? Okay, Apple is quality company, right? Like good company, right? Okay, so if there is many stocks that turns down, then this is as the market. So the market, okay, how do we see whether the market is like turning down and things like that? Okay, so this is the idea. Okay, so whenever, right, if there's stocks, right, okay, that shows me a lot of stocks turns red, then I have to be extra careful. Okay, I have to be extra careful. Why? Because it is not that the company is not good, it is the market that is not good. So if it's the market that's not good, no matter how good your company is, it's like you're trying to, the seed is very good, but the weather is not good. Okay, the fertilizer is very good, but the weather is not good. So no matter how good is your stocks, if the market is not good, right, then it's going to be hard to make money in the market. Okay, so over here, if you look at this thing called stage 3, stage 3. So what do we see here? We see like Tesla. Okay, so Tesla, was on the uptrend. And then after that, recently it turned red. Okay, it turned red over here. And then Apple, okay, used to be, good, steady, but recently it turned red as well. What else? Okay, stocks like Pinduoduo, okay, has turned red. Stocks like CrowdStrike, okay, has turned red. Okay, stocks like the Trade Desk, okay, the Trade Desk, NetEase. So you can see that actually, right, okay, for the US market right now, it's actually quite weak. Okay, it's actually quite weak, especially the tech sector. Okay, so basically the tech sector is already kind of like, getting into a correction, and this is the start of a correction. So basically you can see that, all these stocks initially was like up and it's blue and it's nice, and recently all of them together, okay, they turn red. Nvidia, Apple, Tesla, okay, Mercado Libre, okay. So all these are big companies. All these are big companies. All these are good companies. Okay, this Meli is a pretty solid company, right? Okay, it's like the Amazon. Okay, it's the Amazon. So even this company also, usually when market is good, it is up. But right now, it turns red. Okay, it turns red. So basically, what does this mean? This means that it probably have to rest for a while. Okay, you look at last year March, okay, the stocks actually turned red, and then it rests from March to April to mid-April, then it turned back to blue. Okay, so basically, when it shows this, okay, it's simply telling us that market is weak. It's not that your strategy is not good. Whether you are doing a fundamental analysis, it's not that the fundamental analysis is not good. If you're doing technical analysis, it's not that the technical analysis is not good. Okay, it's just what is not good. The market is not so good right now. Okay, so same thing for NYSE. Okay, if you look at it, stocks like NIO, stocks like Square, Salesforce, even like C Limited. Okay, even like C Limited also turned red. Oh my god. Okay, so this is one of my favorite stocks. Even my favorite stocks, right, okay, also have to turn red. Then, basically, it is not a good sign. Even this TSMC, okay, has been up for so long and then it turns red. Of course, right now we will say that haven't really crashed yet, haven't really dropped. But based on what I see here, okay, all this Xpeng or they have been weak so far, which means the funds have been flowing out of the stocks. Okay, the money has been flowing out and never get back yet. Okay, so this is the thing, how we analyze the market. Okay, of course, there are still stocks that is still good. There are still stocks that is still strong. So those stocks that is still slightly stronger is like this Shopify, it's like this HubSpot, it's like Twilio. Okay, so these are still holding on, and this Deere and Co. Okay, these are still strong. Okay, so basically this is how I do like a market analysis, and how do I see what stocks is strong and what stock is weak. Okay, so basically conclusion right now, have to be careful. Okay, start to be careful for March. This is just the beginning of the March, so try to be careful, okay, not to lose too much in this whole month. That means you need to look at your portfolio, and then you need to see what is the budget for the month. Okay, so if you're 100,000 and it goes down to like 95, you have to be extra careful. Okay, if it goes down to 93, you have to be alert that, whoa, I already lost 7% or what. Okay, so basically now it's just the beginning of March and the market shows weakness. Okay, I would say that basically have to be a bit careful rather than trying to believe that market is always going to go up. So overall, eventually market will go up, I believe, yes. Okay, but for the time being, for the short-term period, just have to be extra careful with like not too much of leverage, not too much of buying too much of shares. Okay, because the more you buy, the harder for you to cut.